Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the book, The Cashflow Quadrant, by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a follow-up to his best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and focuses on the mindset and strategies of successful entrepreneurs and investors. Chapter 1. The Cashflow Quadrant. In this chapter, Kiyosaki introduces the Cashflow Quadrant, which is a framework for understanding the different ways that people earn money. The quadrant is divided into 4 categories: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of moving from the left side of the quadrant, employees and self-employed, to the right side of the quadrant, business owners and investors. By doing so, you can shift from earning a salary to building assets that generate passive income, which is essential for achieving financial freedom. Chapter 2. The First Step. In this chapter, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of taking the first step towards financial freedom. He argues that the first step is often the hardest, but it's crucial for breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of taking responsibility for your financial situation and taking action to improve it. By adopting a proactive mindset and taking control of your finances, you can start building the foundation for financial freedom. Chapter 3. Why people don't make it. In this chapter, Kiyosaki explores the common obstacles that prevent people from achieving financial freedom. He identifies fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance as some of the key factors that hold people back. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of identifying and overcoming the obstacles that may be holding you back. By confronting your fears and negative beliefs, and adopting a positive mindset, you can achieve greater success and financial freedom. Chapter 4. Mind your own business. In this chapter, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of starting your own business and becoming a business owner. He argues that business owners have more control over their financial destiny and can create greater wealth and passive income than employees or self-employed individuals. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of developing an entrepreneurial mindset and seeking out opportunities to start your own business. By doing so, you can create greater financial freedom and build assets that generate passive income. Chapter 5. The History of Taxes and the Power of Corporations. In this chapter, Kiyosaki explores the history of taxes and the role of corporations in achieving financial freedom. He argues that understanding the tax system and using corporations to your advantage is essential for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of educating yourself about the tax system and using legal tax strategies to minimize your tax burden. By doing so, you can keep more of your hard-earned money and reinvest it into assets that generate passive income. Chapter 6. The Business of the 21st Century. In this chapter, Kiyosaki discusses the importance of network marketing and the opportunities it provides for achieving financial freedom. He argues that network marketing is a low-risk, high-reward business model that anyone can participate in. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of being creative and open-minded when it comes to building wealth and creating passive income. By exploring different business models and taking advantage of new opportunities, you can increase your chances of achieving financial freedom. Chapter 7. The 8 Intelligences. In this chapter, Kiyosaki introduces the concept of the 8 intelligences and explains how they can be used to achieve financial success. These 8 intelligences include linguistic, logical mathematical, spatial, bodily kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of developing your strengths and leveraging your natural intelligences to achieve greater success. By focusing on what you are good at and developing those skills, you can increase your earning potential and create greater financial freedom. Chapter 8. Overcoming Obstacles. In this chapter, Kiyosaki discusses the importance of overcoming obstacles on the path to financial freedom. He argues that obstacles are inevitable, but they can be overcome with the right mindset and strategies. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of resilience and persistence in the face of adversity. By adopting a growth mindset and being willing to learn from your mistakes, you can overcome obstacles and achieve greater success. Chapter 9. The 3 Kinds of Business Systems. In this chapter, Kiyosaki explores the 3 types of business systems: traditional, franchise, and network marketing. He argues that each system has its pros and cons, but network marketing provides the greatest potential for achieving financial freedom. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of understanding the different business systems and choosing the one that aligns with your goals and values. By choosing the right system, you can increase your chances of success and achieve greater financial freedom. Chapter 10. The 8 Steps to Financial Freedom. In this final chapter, Kiyosaki outlines the 8 steps to achieving financial freedom. These steps include finding your reason why, setting goals, taking action, learning from your mistakes, developing a positive mindset, investing in assets that generate passive income, creating multiple streams of income, and leaving a legacy. One of the key takeaways from this chapter is the importance of taking a holistic approach to achieving financial freedom. By following these 8 steps, you can create a solid foundation for long-term financial success and leave a positive legacy for future generations. So there you have it, the key takeaways from each chapter of The Cashflow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. This book provides a valuable roadmap for achieving financial freedom and building assets that generate passive income. By adopting an entrepreneurial mindset and taking action to build your own business or invest in assets that generate passive income, you can achieve greater success and financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful.